If you want to record sounds on POCO F7 Pro, then we need to use a recorder, which we can find by default in the app drawer, for example. And this is, for example, the recorder that we can use. Now, in this case, we can press this recording button at the bottom in the center of the screen. At first, we need to grant permissions. This is, of course, just one time only. And now we are creating a voice memo. And that's pretty much it. We also have the AI speech recognition as well. We can change the language of it if you want to. In terms of the recording, we can add these bookmarks over here. We can tap in order to later on, when we play the recording, we can go back to these bookmarks. You can pause at any point or just completely stop recording like this. And after that, the voice recording will be saved. And we can tap over here in order to play the recording. Over here we can also show the voice prints and a bunch of options here, and that's pretty much it. This is how we can record our voice. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.